Yeah, I liked it.
You guys want to wait for us or you want to just go? No, I wanted to pass by.
Faces. See a Maasai giraffe right there, as well as a group of them. So they're gonna do most of their hunting. Send that little girl to see if she